and we are off to pick up Rake from the airport in Frankfurt, and yeah, I'm currently driving there. As you can see, it's the safest thing to do, to film while driving, surely, right? Right! I'm totally not going insane or something. Alright, so I arrived in Frankfurt and I have absolutely no idea where I'm going, to be honest. Surely there will somewhere be, I mean, arrivals, alright, arrivals, I will probably need to go here somewhere. I'll figure that out. Actually, let's check. So, oh wow, that's just a generalized sign. Great. Yeah, next sequence will be with Rake. So now I'm just waiting for Rake to arrive. Not like really arrive, he's been here since an hour ago. And I came properly late, but yeah. I actually don't know where the fuck he is. I just told him that I'm near some escalator, as you can see. Just randomly speaking into a camera, being super weird. Oh man, it's gonna be so horrible to find him. I am so confused, but oh, there he is. There he is! Oh my god! Hey!
Found each other, man.
Hi, my guy. How are you? How's the flight been?
How are you?
Oh, yeah. I'm a bit tired, I guess.
I feel that. I'm tired as well.
Yeah.
Did you come up this elevator?
No, actually not. I have no idea where I am, to be honest, because I swear, navigating around this airport is just a mess. It's just,
yeah, for sure. I got that impression too.
Oh my god, it's so big.
And there are no signs going from what do you call them, the gates for international to
not just the signs, not just the gates, but also when you are down on the parking area, there's literally nothing. I had to drive down. Come with me. I will guide you to my car.
Do you remember the way you came?
I hope so. I know that I took this elevator. Other than that, I have literally no idea. Also, why?
We found each other. That's what matters, right?
Yeah, that's what matters. By the way, Marcus is coming on 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. We're gonna pick him up from a train station, and he's gonna stay with us at my place.
Oh.
All right, this is the elevator that we need, and we're gonna go down to U3, and yeah, we're gonna speak to you later. Oh my god, it is the official daggers now. No way. I'm running towards him. Oh my god. I can't zoom in. Oh my god. Servus, Leute.
Moin.
Hi.
He's freaking close to window, man.
Wait. This is Rake Giles.
And welcome to
Speedrunner
Jackass.
Runner, and this is some idiot.
Excuse me?
Break them live.
They will die. Spoiler.
What a complete douchebag.
Oh my god, Jesus is alive.
Get me in the shot.
Oh my god, Jesus is alive. Oh my god, there he comes.
Probably.
On time. Only 2 hours late. Deutsche Bahn, we love you. but we are anxiously awaiting.
I don't know about anxiously, I'm pretty sure right now.
You are pretty sure. Alright, I don't know about anxious, but I sure am waiting. I am definitely waiting. National Express. Alright, more towards the back. That's what he said. I think the train stops there. No. No, I think. Okay. Keep a lookout for him. He surely will be standing on the door.
Because it's about that time.
True. Yeah, true. He just died.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, there he is. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at him. Look at him. Hey.
No! Okay, it's fine. This fucking dumb habit of me is actually an issue on this game.
I have never. Oh my god, there's no fucking way.
How did you do that?
Okay, how am I supposed to?
I think you have to identify. You should
Yeah,
have identification at all times, technically.
Where do we get out of this shithole here? Oh, by the way, we arrived in Cologne. It's time.
Like, you need a phone.
Where do we? There is no spot where we can leave. Oh, there. All right. We can leave.
Like, be able to explain itself.
Oh wait, about the fucking French guy. That one guy.
Oh, I think they're already.
I don't think I want to. I don't think I want to see him now.
Actually, looking fine.
Wait, do we? Yeah, we. No, wait, that is downstairs. We have the exit there.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It literally says exit. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, leave here. All right. Oh my god, we are free.
Yes. Oh, it doesn't smell.
Yet. Yeah. Yes. Literally doesn't smell yet.
I mean, just wait till we get past like Breslauer Platz, which is like the bad side of the central station. The other side is the good side.
Oh, great.
Breslauer Platz is like the...
Oh yeah, because the other one is literally in the city center. Yeah, yeah, true. Oh my god, Volvo. Holy shit, that's a box and a half. 240.
We have a camera.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh my god.
Should I beat you with the camera?
No, I'm saying it's a good deterrent.
Oh,
That could do some real damage though.
It could, theoretically.
To the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
I mean...
It's mutual
Yeah.
destruction.
Yeah, I guess.
Both incur severe pain.
I will just use the camera and do...
Yeah.
Chabanas peak content. What the fuck? Why is that pigeon just flying around here? Why not? Just... Wait, I'm gonna interview the pigeon. Hello, mister? Mister, can you help me? Can you help us find Balooks and Fresh Wiggy?
This is Balooks.
Oh, this is Balooks, I see. This is actually Balooks. Well, that makes fucking sense. I mean, I don't have anyone else to speak to right now.
Well, thanks, we don't exist apparently.
Yeah, yeah. We are outside of the central station. Let's see where they are. We're at the bottom. I don't see them. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's the French guy. No way. It's the French guy.
Get out of here, please.
Why does it not zoom in?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's the French guy. It's the French guy. No way. Look at him, and he's even wearing his fucking merch. Come here. Let's go.
Hello. Hey, bud. What's up? How you doing?
Alright. Yeah, exactly. Yo. I'm an idiot.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. Why would you do that? Wait. There's actually a mark on it. I swear, that German cunt.
This is German type.
I'm not. I'm someone. Guy.
Don't fucking laugh.
No.
Hold on, I will eat it.
Why? No. Hello. I'm stupid. Just saying hi to my camera and just missing me out.
Yeah, so fucking what now?
I don't know. We are standing in a circle. We can literally eat food.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. These ones don't. I'm closer than him. Wait, what? No, actually, not closer than you.
That's worth something.
I was sure. But
Turning around for every doggo.
I've got other dogs to take care of. Careful now.
Wait.
Really careful. There's only one person.
We can finally compare them side by side.
No. Try and
Stand
take
there.
a picture of both of us at the same time. It's not only going to be one person.
Yeah, true.
It's like two vampires as if you would be like a different person.
I see. That's how it works.
One of them say daggers now and storm break together.
Shop it next to each other.
And now he's parking now. I think we're gonna just kick over his bike. Can we kick your bike?
actually, oh my fucking god.
Bruh.
Did he just fucking walk past?
And let's go this.
Hello.
Hello.
We're still gonna go there.
Yeah, oh yeah. I can
Smelly. Very smelly. How was the ride?
Actually not. No.
It's so
Smells nice.
Deodorant.
Yeah,
You should everything.
I wish I didn't.
Is my back like wet because I feel like I'm sweating on my back because not that bad.
It's only from the inside.
I guess it's not sticking to you yet. Like
You don't have to because I did that all. Because I'm gonna take mine for
It's fucking amazing that we are literally in the middle of a fucking party. Somewhere just under the earth, and they are arguing about fucking hotel.
And I'm bored.
Yeah, I'm also bored. Let's do anything. Why are we standing here just?
Because nobody can decide what the fuck you're gonna do. Let's just go to the hotel. Just the people who are standing next to each other.
I really want to.
Keep myself safe.
Please, no. Currently bowling. Apparently. Nogala is good.
shut up!
Apparently, Balux is also good. Lenny is also good.
Lenny, was ist das, Junge? What
was that?
He's using my ball.
Unlucky. Oh my god, oh my god! Oh! 92! Guess Balux is third! Ah! Not the perfect game. Yeah! Yo! I just arrived in Cologne and everyone here needs to put in the luggage into my car. Yay. Kurwa, Aniat. Oh, Marvin!
Not expecting. I was like, okay, you put on the light, surely it's not gonna turn here, right? Right? Yeah. Alright, BMW overtake, I will follow.
he's nice.
Okay, so copy is like ready to go.
And well, how we arrived in Sweden is gonna be in the next episode. Thank you very much for watching.